Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. We've reached the Iowa border, marking yet another new state for 504 Road Trips and a new state for me personally. We're on Interstate 29 traveling north. This Midwestern state is bordered by the Mississippi River to the east, 250 miles east of where we are, and the Missouri River on the west in the southern part of the state, and the Big Sioux River in the northwestern part of the state. In colonial times, Iowa was part of French Louisiana and Spanish Louisiana. Its state flag is patterned after the flag of France. After the Louisiana Purchase, people laid the foundation for an agriculture-based economy in the heart of the Corn Belt. In the latter half of the 20th century, Iowa's agricultural economy made the transition to a diversified economy of advanced manufacturing, processing, financial services, information technology, biotechnology, and green energy production. Iowa is the 26th most extensive in land area and the 30th most populous of the 50 U.S. states. The state's capital, most populous city, and largest metropolitan area fully located within the state is Des Moines. A portion of the larger Omaha, Nebraska metropolitan area extends into 3 counties of southwest Iowa. Iowa has been listed as one of the safest U.S. states to live in. As of 2019, Iowa has an estimated 3,155,070 residents. We're in Fremont County, the southwesternmost county in Iowa. The county was formed in 1847 and named for the military officer John C. Fremont, and has an estimated population of 6,993 as of 2018. Fremont County, like many of the counties we'll be passing through going forward in this series, was heavily affected by the 2019 Midwestern flood. The 2019 January to May period was the wettest on record for the U.S., with multiple severe weather outbreaks through May in the Midwest, High Plains, and South, exacerbating the flooding and causing additional damage. The floods occurred primarily along the Missouri River and its tributaries in Nebraska, Missouri, South Dakota, Iowa, and Kansas. The Mississippi River also saw flooding, although starting later and ending earlier. Throughout late May and early June, rain in Iowa, Illinois, and Missouri caused every site on the Mississippi River to record a top 5 crest. On September 7, 2019, a third round of flooding along the Missouri River was considered likely due to heavy rains of up to 4 times what is normal in parts of Montana, North and South Dakota, and Nebraska. On October 28, 2019, it was predicted that the prolonged Missouri River flooding, which lasted as long as 7 months in some locations, could continue all winter, with no end in sight. On December 16, 2019, the prolonged Missouri River flooding in the Kansas City district was declared officially over. Because of the flooding, Interstate 29 was closed in March and again in May from the Missouri-Iowa border to Council Bluffs, with portions of the interstate under 15 feet of water. On September 20th, sections of Interstate 680 and Interstate 29 were once again closed due to Missouri River flooding. Exit 10 leads to the east to Sidney, the county seat of Fremont County, and one of the smallest county seats in the state, with an estimated population of 1,047 living in an area of 1.38 square miles. The Sidney, Iowa Championship Rodeo, operated by American Legion Post No. 128 since 1924, claims to be the world's largest continuous outdoor rodeo and one of the world's largest rodeos, with around 38,000 visitors each year. The event is held in late July, early August. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. We conclude today's video at exit 24. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.